never been charged. His ass got 4 cases. And so I'm sitting here, ain't never been charged. His ass got 4 cases. And so I'm sitting here.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, so I have another random question, fact, tidbit about my life that I'm just wondering if I'm the only one. So every time I walk out in the sun and I look up, I just sneeze. Every time I walk outside, it's bright outside. I mean, now I've been outside for a minute, so I'm like adjusted, but I sneeze. I can't make it stop. I can't be the only one, right? I can't be. I just can't be the only one.
مرة وقعت على حالي مي بس قلت إذا ما بجي هلأ راحت علي. إذا دايما بدك تسمع الهسات براسي بقلك بلاها وبحياتك بتعملي شي. كتير بشع. أنا جعانة وعم طلع نفسي بنفس الوقت. هي أكتر حركة بتوجع. هيدي السبليت سكوات. هاي لطيفة. أنا بقول شو عم زرني. أنا بقول بس أكبر. ما بدي ورجع ظهري بعرف. بفكر قدام. بسي. اليوم كتير مقلجة.
Hey guys, Nancy and I are going to be doing some rap tests today because we both sound a little bit off. Santa cough form. Yeah, anyhow, we're going to do it all in one clip. Go. Quick. Results later. Alright, I think I'm done. Wait, let me just get to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, do I put him up? Quick, Sia! Quick, the time! So now we're just gonna press them in. Oh, where'd my COVID test go? My nose is leaking. Okay, put 3 drops in. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay. So don't look at it when I give it to you. Just don't look. Hold you. Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Negative!
I'm trying, but I keep sneezing. Ooh, that was a little pizzy. More sneezes. Excuse me. Wow. Just malfunctioning over here. Malfunctioning? What the heck? Malfunctioning over here.
A friend of mine was working as a doula there, and this is when it was like tiny, worked out of the back of the freshie shop.
How many staff were working?
Like 3,
Including Alana?
including Alana.
What's your favourite part about working at Alana Maria?
I love, oh my god, literally coming into work. We have such a good group of girls, and it is like our little family.
Who's your favourite one?
You.
How did you transition from the shop to marketing and TikTok?
TikTok obviously rose into like the limelight, and they really wanted to get on it, but we just didn't have enough staff. And I was like, while I was working in the shop, I was like, I can just like make some TikToks. The edits have been,
that was the week that I started working in the shop.
yeah, we were making them together in the shop. Literally loved it so much. Like it was like work wasn't work, and we had a few videos, thank God, go viral. It just became a thing, and now I have 77,000 followers.
What is the hardest part about your job?
And you go through shadow banning and nothing's really doing well. And TikTok works in like the way where it's like regardless of how many followers you have and how many times you've done well in the past, like videos will still repetitively like flop. The momentum and the confidence of making fun videos, or making videos you're really proud of and them just not doing well, and then finding the motivation and the inspiration to create more. I find that a hurdle really hard to get over. It's not a hard job. I wouldn't say it's a strenuous job, but it's just like keeping up the creativity. I've actually been finding that really hard at the moment. Oh shit, you're going to do that?
You're gonna do it.
Okay.
If you could have anyone else's job at work, what would it be?
I have tried dueling. Whoa! Look at that! Being a jeweler would be awesome.
Who do you think is an asset at Alana Maria?
For me, just in terms of being there since day dot. And she is an absolute blessing, and she just knows everything. She's across everything, and I love working with her. Let's go back to the office. Woohoo! Wow, Lana. Holy shit.
Hey, we're going to be touching on Sienna's makeup. I asked Sienna some questions at Alana Maria.
It was.
What year did you start working at Alana Maria?
In 2019. Oh, bless you. In the last year, in the freshwater boutique.
Last one ever.
That would be amazing.
People think I'm obsessed with this, and I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it, and I think this is an obsession that
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
horrendous. I'm the best. Oh, shit.